Today I am going to show you digital cooking food thermometer. Wide temperature range, minus 58 degrees Fahrenheit, 572 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 50 degrees Celsius, 300 degrees Celsius. You can convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Let's test the product. Ice. Hot water. First, we measure the degree of hot water. Then ice. As you can see, it shows the result very quickly. It turns off automatically in 10 minutes if you don't press any button. After using the product, we clean it with a damp cloth. We do not wash the product under water because it is not waterproof. You can use the product in many places. Meat, baking, deep frying, yogurt. You can use it in more areas. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.